In today's video, we will learn how to delete a row from an AJAX collection using a classic report. First, I add seq_id as a column in the classic report query. This helps us identify each row uniquely. Then I set the heading of the seq_id column to hash. This is just for a clean look. After that, I set the target URL to hash so the page does not reload. In the link text, I add this icon code. This shows a trash icon for delete. In the link attributes, I add. Here, seq_id is used as the row identifier. The delete class is used to trigger the action. And the button style makes it look like a delete button. After that, I create a page item named seq_id. Then I create a dynamic action and name it delete row. I set the event scope to dynamic because the rows are created dynamically. Next, I choose jQuery selector as the event. And finally, I use a .delete as the selector. So the action runs when the delete icon is clicked. Then I add an action called setValue. I set the type to JavaScript expression. And I use this code, this.triggeringElement.id. In the affected elements, I select the item seq_id. After that, I create another action. And this time, I choose execute server-side code. Here we are calling the delete_member procedure. This is used to delete one specific row from a collection. Here we provide the collection name. It means we want to delete a row from the emp_col collection. Here we provide the row ID of the collection. P3_seq_id contains the seq_id value of the row we clicked. So AJAX will delete that exact row. In items to submit, I select seq_id. Then I create another action for refresh. In affected elements, I select the classic report so it refreshes after delete. Now I click Save and Run. We can see a delete icon in every row. When I click the delete icon, the row is deleted immediately. So this delete functionality is working correctly. Now I will hide the page item seq_id. I have deleted all the data. Now I will add a new record. Yes, everything is working correctly.